just using my shitty old Dewalt gizmo here and going like this. Doesn't work. Of course not. Of course not, right? Let me get back to this thing. I need a battery. The battery works. God damn it. This sucks. Do we have... Wait, does this one work? That one up here. See? There we go. Might get a few shots out of this. Yeah. There we go. Is that? This one here. Yeah, we'll do this one right here. Hopefully that stays. There we go. Now, this piece right here. Put a block right here. Here we go. Here we go. Always wear safety glasses, people. Safety first. So if you see what I'm doing here, basically drop it in there, drop this in here, that back there, and bada boom, it's done. I'm gonna have to make some end caps here for this, but that's a big deal. So like this, I can gauge if I got it somewhat okay, but no big deal. They are pretty much about the same. I'm gonna go get, I gotta cut 2 more blocks because I want to put a, I would like to put a piece of metal in here. So now looking at it, I might have to move these blocks backward. Basically, I'm making a jig. And automotive, they make bucks for things. This is just a jig. Hold it in place. See, I can take these 2 out when they're done. I can take this one right here and let's see, I can put this, lay that in there. Lay this one in here like this. Basically, jam them both in there like so. And figure out that this sucks, basically. See? Both too long. For some reason, I screwed it up. But so that's that. And these got to be shortened. So, ta-da! But anyway, next is the middle piece. I have to make a middle bar, which is, I'm thinking at least 6 inches up here. Put them roughly 6 inches. Or I should measure this way, would be better. And they'll be about, hold on. That's what, 12 inches down. 11 and a half, yeah. 11 and a half from the top would be good. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. 11 and a half from the top. It's almost same place. 11 and 1/2. Now, how far apart is that? That's about 7 and 5/8 on the top. 7 and 5/8, and if I put it, see, do I want it? That's the thing. Do I want this piece like lower? I'm not using it, I'm just using it as an example. If I want this piece lower, I put it here, or I want it above it, like this. I'm thinking maybe higher would look a little better. So, and I'm not using flat bar, I'm using some square shit that I have. Probably a smaller size tubing, maybe a 3/4 inch. I think I have somewhere. Stay tuned, I'll get back to that one. Yeah, I got something like that would be good in there. Maybe right about here. Be good. So what I can do is a pain in the ass, Christ. I'm just gonna rough cut it. I'll just grind it to fit. This is ridiculous. I hate this. I hate this. Maybe I'll just put it in like, I don't want to put it up 7 and 4, 5/8, 7 and 5/8, 7 and 5/8, 7 and 5/8 would be right there. Ta-da! Let me see if I can break out the bandsaw and cut it. Hold on, folks.